Hello viewers, welcome to Mishti's Ideas. My name is Mishti and today I'm going to show you how you can make a really cute gift for your loved ones. I made this for my nephew Adrian. It's made of canvas. So you want to know how you can make this too? Let's get started. For this project, you need some small canvas, acrylic paints, masking tape, paintbrushes or sponges. So step 1 is to get the canvas ready for the letters placement. I'm just marking my line so that I can place the letters horizontally, but you can place it any direction you want. Next step is to cut the masking tapes in your desired length for the letters. So when you cut them, I used about 2-inch strips here and I'm taping them on the canvas. Once I paint the canvas and I pull these tapes off, that will create that the letter earlier you saw, it'll create that blank space there. So it's a very easy process, but the trick is to have the tape nicely sticking to the canvas, because if they don't stick properly and when you're painting over them, paint tends to go underneath it. So make sure you take your time and gently rub it so it sticks nicely to the canvas. Next step is to paint the canvas. I have asked Adrian's mom what color he likes, and I was told he likes green, blue and purple. So those are the colors I'm gonna use. When you're painting these, always have some idea about what color goes with what and how you're gonna proceed. So the end result looks nice. So I'm going to use green first and then blue and then purple. When you're painting a canvas, always paint the side of it the same color as the top of the canvas. So if the canvas will have 3 different colors, you also have to paint the sides in 3 different colors. So when you look at it from the side, it looks like one continuous picture. So that's one trick. Another trick is acrylic paint tends to dry pretty quickly. So always plan how you're going to proceed, have all the supplies close by. So once you start painting, you don't have to take much break. This project took me less than 20 minutes from start to finish, and acrylic paint does not take more than 10 minutes to dry, especially on such a small canvas, and when I did not use any other water base with it, just directly paint. So you have to be prepared, and you can go quickly, you can finish it really quickly. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna start the next paint, but I have to blend it in between so there is no harsh line between the 2 paints. You could have it if you want to. It's all depend on how you want your final project to look like. So you can definitely experiment with it and try different techniques and see which one you like best. Because this is a small canvas, I'm not using too much of the gradient process. I'm not blending it too much. But if you have a larger canvas and you have more space to work on, definitely take some time with the blending part so that the gradient looks really nice. And when you're also using a tape, like a masking tape like here, make sure the strokes of the sponge is upwards or downwards based on where you're working at, so that again the paints, they don't go underneath the tape there. So I'm almost at the end of the painting here. I'm using the 3rd paint color, purple, and again I'm painting the sides of the canvas so that the continuity looks good, and then finishing the top with the same color. And finally I will be blending it again on the last one, but this one I'm using an upward stroke because downward stroke would mean that paint might go underneath the masking tape. If for some reason paint does go underneath the tape, all you have to do is once you peel off the tape, just retouch it with some white paint. I'll show you how to do that, but it's no big deal. Painting it's always forgiving. I find you can always fix it here and there, and again, it's a DIY project, so it's okay if you make a small mistake here and there, but don't forget to have fun while you're doing it. Now here is the final process. I am going to peel off those masking tape gently from the canvas, revealing the letter. See how nice it looks, and all that white space in the middle, it just stands out. You can use it for a guest bedroom, for Airbnb, for a master bedroom, wherever you want, with the customizing option. So it's not difficult, not expensive. Most of these items were I got it from the Dollarama or dollar store, so it doesn't cost you a lot for a simple project like that. And like I said earlier, I'm just going to retouch one of the letters with white paint to fix it so that overall it looks perfect. And here you go, our DIY lettering on canvas project as a gift idea is done. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay with me to have some more serious fun.